Good afternoon. It's October 23rd, 2023, and today it's looking like a range day, but really all day uh, we were going up, just correcting from the sell-off in the overnight. I think what was happening is I think there's a lot of people. My guess is that there's a lot of people short right above this, we'll call it a major high. And so the bulls were probably trying to trap those shorts out, and the shorts just came in and overpowered the bulls. That's what I think. There's still a body gap all the way up here at like 43.15. So we didn't come close to that. Let's see if maybe there's some significance. Nope, not really. Okay, so that's this midline though is probably where these highs people were selling. So but that's what I think was going on today. And let's take a look at these trades. So big sell-off in the overnight, and then we corrected to about 50%, which is the midline, and then we tested the lows. And I don't see an entry. You know, we got an overshoot that led to a break, move to a new high, and then we just went sideways a bit. And then right after the open, you get a second entry short that's also a failed second entry long. So maybe you take that, but you know, it's a little aggressive because you know that's looking like it might be something. And they're dojis. But anyway, we make it down to the lows, get a first entry, failed second entry, shoot. You might as well, I mean, not you might as well. You might even take this high or low, but you get this failure right here, and you can see a lot of people like that. So we go up, we get a break, and then a flatter channel here. You know, I didn't draw the trend line, but it's pretty clear there's something in here. And it looks to me like that might be an overshoot. And then we sell off. But in here, you get a second entry long right here. But it looks like we got a break. And, you know, we've been coming up short of the channel, so it's a bit aggressive. Come over here, and you get a second entry long. And there's clearly some support at this level, so you might take that one. And we're just flip-flopping, but then we make two legs up, and then you get a sell-off, and you get a first entry, failed second entry long. I just don't like taking these failures when you're going low into the lows of the channel, but it works. Then you get an overshoot that leads to a reversal, really. And we form this channel up. So you do get a second entry long right here. Not a great signal bar, not a lot of room to the highs. But then you get a first entry, second entry, and a higher low. Nice bullish bar. Room to the highs. I like that one. And here you get a double test off the trend line. So that's pretty good. I like that one. Looks like, you know, a trap. 18 ticks. So the only reason we got that is that's the highs of the day. So that's why people were selling there. Taking profits, really. We go higher, and you get a two-legged pullback. So you might take that one. But you're going into the highs, so it's aggressive. We get a break of this channel. I don't think you want to take the failure here. You're going too close to the highs. And then we get a sell-off. This is looking like, that's another thing. This was looking like a range at that point. And so you do get a double test right here. Super bullish bar. Maybe you take that, but that's aggressive. But it would have paid off tremendously. We get a breakout. and a first entry, second entry long. Although there's, you're going into new highs, this is a very bullish breakout, and we're making new highs, so I like that one. And then we come up here and you get this lower high. Maybe you take that, but that's aggressive with how bullish this move is. But I mean, I'm looking at this channel and we have a break and a move to a new high. So might be worth taking. You get this channel down. Unfortunately, no shorts in here. You get a failed second entry short, but again, this is like, it looks like you're going into the highs of a channel. Actually, it doesn't. But you have an inside bar. That's a problem. So there. Then you get this lower high. Maybe you take that one. Because it was just not convincing that we were going any higher. But we come back, test the overnight highs, sell off some more, and you get a first entry, second entry short. Doesn't go very far, unfortunately. But that looks like it's off very close to a trend line. Yeah, you can see that. But that's the problem. It's probably not off the trend line. So really, I should probably mark this green because you're not at the trend line. And then you can see we're forming this I think this is what Al Brooks calls a wedge or a triangle. I don't know. But it basically, it's in breakout mode, and that's what happens. You get to the tip of it, breaks out to the low side, breaks out to the high side, and then just sells off. And this looks like a second entry short, so you might take that. We're clearly breaking out to the low side, and that would have paid off very well. And now it's too late in the day to take anything else. So that's how I saw it today. I hope everyone had a great day. I'll be back tomorrow. Wait, let's take a look at this chart. So it looks like we're getting a bearish doji closing below the measured move. So hope everyone has a great day. I'll be back tomorrow.